Hey Satya.
Yes, father.
I have heard that even small animals try to find their food themselves and they don't disturb their parents for that at all. But human beings are different. They always try to disturb their parents for everything. For example, you can take your life. It's contributing in this family, you're helping your father in some way. I don't know how can people eat always without earning anything.
What is this? Your husband is always shouting whenever I'm eating. You gave birth, right? When you give birth, you have to feed also. You enjoy and have kids, then you shout when you have to feed them. Instead of giving birth to me, you should have done something else, right? I wouldn't have faced this today.
Hey, stupid fellow. Why are you talking like this? Silently eat and go.
Who told you to kill him? My boss Prakash, I told him to kill him! Son of a bitch trying to do all illegal activities, and if the RTO asks you will try to kill him, bloody bugger.
I did it unknowingly, sir.
You had sent me the quotation to kill that bugger, and you don't believe me and send another person to kill him. You know, his daughter's getting married soon. That's the reason I left him. The moment his daughter's marriage is over, the next day his life will be over. If you try to do something before that guy goes from this world, you will be killed. I am always dedicated to my work. Once I collect money for my job, even if you say no, I will do it. My job was to do illegal activities and getting money for them. I've completed my graduation. Do you believe that? My father gave us very good education in a good public school. But we didn't know that our father was making us study by taking loans. Because he could not repay the loans, he committed suicide. From that day, our complete family was shattered. To run my family, I started running an auto rickshaw. Because we could not repay the loans, we lost our house too.
He'll give you money. Please let us go.
Please, your father does not repay the loan what he has collected from me. So this house belongs to me. Somehow I'll try to repay the loan, bro. Please, bro. By running an auto? You can do one thing. Your mother's become old, so she cannot help me. But your younger sister can stay at my house and help me. You son of a bitch! That day was a black day in my entire life. Big hero.
What did he say? You'll do anything for money or what? Here, he has money. You will kill him and take the money and go. Hey, why are you simply talking with him and wasting time? You can't write. Then understand, buddy.
My sister had got a bad name because of the stupid money alone. So I started my life trying to do these illegal activities. My only aim in my life was to make my family happy. And for a happy family life, I just required money. Nothing but money alone.
Hey, take whatever you want, you take, but give the interest by evening, okay? Till yesterday you used to give us time, right? Hey, shut your mouth, man. Inflation has risen, we have to also live, right? Look what you're talking. When you're asking, we're giving you the exact money, right? All we are asking is only the interest, huh? Go and do the job, go.
I bought 2 coconuts, so give it for 10 rupees.
What are we gonna do, ma'am?
Sir, we have an idea. During the coming elections, we are trying to make you stand as an MLA and contest in this election. We have to definitely win, sir. What do you guys say for that?
He's right. I appreciate your logic, man. Right. In my financing business, I am very harsh with everyone. And with those same people, you expect me to go and beg for vote, huh? I don't want vote on anything. I just want to do my own business.
Look, dear. If you stand and win, no, I can proudly say that I am MLA's wife. It will be good, no?
Why not, dear? If you want, you can go and ask money from your father and you contest. If you win, I'll be proud that I am an MLA's husband.
No, don't hit me, brother. Please leave me, bro.
Hey,
Please.
You know that I am the fellow who is keeping her, right? Then why the hell are you always going and banging her door?
I just tried to knock the door, but nobody opened.
Nobody is opening.
Please leave me, bro.
Look here, I am the only fellow who knocks at that door.
Brother,
What happened? Why are you here?
brother, my friends just came to see our factory. That's why I brought them here.
You should not come here, dear. You will only find bricks and stones here. There are so many other places to show your friends. Go and show them there. Go right now. Coming here at odd times. What happened, man? He's not crying or what? Standing silently, huh? You want to come and knock a door, huh? You want to always knock a door at night, huh? Priya has come to meet you, sir. Priya? Yes, sir. Where is she? She's in the room, sir. In the room or what? She's come straight to me, huh? She likes me so much, huh? Yes, sir. Hey, you're getting salary from me.
Yes,
right?
bro.
Then do your job, man. Don't know if it is the aroma of the flower or yours.
Look, dear. My sister want to meet you.
Is it? Will she be as fair as you?
She'll be fairer than me.
Then ask her to come for some. I'll also see her, na?
Please serve everyone nicely. Okay, auntie. Please take this.
Enough. Here comes who eats
Here,
meat.
have nicely. You also have nicely. Enough, mother.
Oh, put it for him. Let him have. Can't have food at right time.
What? Feeling very tired, so I slept off.
With your activities, how can you get sleep? You know something? When I came to the city, I just had 30 rupees with me. But today, have a property worth 30 crores. When you have a family alone, you'll have a heart to earn. See your younger brother, such a responsible guy. And what about you? Not prepared to getting married? But enjoying life, having lot of girlfriends all over the city. Shit, I'm really ashamed about that. I am unable to meet my friends because of this. Do you think this is all good? Give me a reply.
Hey, don't irritate me when I'm eating. Just because you are grown old doesn't mean that you have to advise everyone. According to me, you and he only fell in a ditch. I am really very free as of now. First, you stop the story of 30 rupees and 30 crores. Sit and eat your food. If you have any other problem, I'll solve it after food. You first serve me food. Hey, she has left, man. Hey, then shut up and sleep, man. Seeking your blessings or what? You say this entire place is yours? She's a girl from your family only, no? Just go and ask for her hand and marry her. Why only her hand, yaar? You can ask for her legs also, right? What, man? I'm very serious here and you're joking there. Hey, if you're getting up, you get up. Otherwise, you lie down, man. Hey, get up, man, get up, man. Being such a fine day, you guys are all sleeping so late. See what I brought you. Eat this. You're bringing like a baby. You don't know how much trouble I took bringing you all this. Hey, fellow, here, take this. Hey, Smalley, you come here. Hey, for you also. Happy Diwali. Go and celebrate. Go.
Hey, you're taking it from my house and giving it to me only. Stupid! Why are you playing with me?
Here. Hello, Pallies. I have brought. See what I have brought. Yeah, very good. Come, Keep it here. Open and take. Oh my God. Hey, why are you kissing my hand, man? Hey, you're a big man, man. I am not very rich. Otherwise, I would have put a ring on your finger. Hey, come on, man. This is a very simple thing. Then what, man? You're giving us beer and brandy and taking care of us like our mother. Is it not big or what? Okay, man. But why are you saying such a big thing for that? Hey, keep quiet, man. You are always keeping us fully intoxicated without letting us down. You are keeping us intoxicated all the time. Actually, you are a great mother's son only. You are absolutely right, man. Okay, I have a problem. You bought liquor. Did you buy water to mix with it? You spend money for liquor, but you don't spend money for water, huh? What financier you are, man? Useless financier. You guys wait, I'll buy and come. Brother, come fast, buddy.
Hi, my dear friends. Keep some stuff balanced for me. I'm coming.
Wait, idiot. You have spoiled my life, huh? Still, how many of them's life want to spoil? How you able to do like this,
Don't
stupid?
do like this. Everybody's looking, sister. Hey, there are so many accidents happening everywhere. Consider this also as an accident only. Now, please leave me now. Please, everybody's looking.
Useless
Please.
fellow. Saying sister, sister, you have spoiled my whole life.
Hey, brother, you only call her sister, sister all the time. But whenever she sees you, she always tries to beat you. Are you such a big lover in this town or what? No, yeah, this is a small secret, man. That's why.
Hey, everyone knows about this. Is this a secret for
Hey,
you?
what is this, bro? She says the entire place knows about it. What is it after all? Everybody knows, but you don't know, right? Sister, this is very normal, sister. Hey, what is it after all? Come, let's wash our hand and go.
Do you know animals don't wash their hands? Come, let's have the food and then wash.
But that is only for brushing the teeth, na? Now they have started talking about washing the hands also. Now if there is a version for toilet, then everything will collapse.
I don't have the time to hear your stupid proverbs. I'm going.
Who is this fellow who is changing direction and then washing? Hey, don't walk here. Hey, which place do you belong to, man? Huh? Retired rowdy itself is not washing his hands and you are washing your hands as if you are peeling off your skin. Cleanliness is next to godliness, right? Hey, here human beings are feeding, man. God is not feeding anyone here. Hey, let me wash my hands. Huh? Oh my God. Such a big soap you have, and when are you going to finish it and when am I going to wash my hands, man? Hey, when you come to eat, you eat and go, man. Don't waste others' time. Don't keep washing your hands like this, yeah. Hey, everyone move back. Don't come forward. Don't hey, you are our person only now. Why are you coming forward? Hey, did I ever say I am your person? I have come here to eat only. Let me eat. Hey, I have to go and eat. Come on, man.
What, bro? Taking a lot of time to wash your hands? You saw this? Enjoying my food? Huh? This is really tasty and delicious.
Hey, what is this? I think they have cut the entire coat and actually put it on your leaf only.
Take your stupid eye from here, okay?
Hey, it's irritating, man. Don't do it for the third time. I think everything is kept on your leaf and I won't get anything to eat. Let me go and see. Hey, he's finishing his food, I guess. Hey, bring the dessert. He's finished his food.
Hello, why are you rushing up? I've just started my second round. You'll have to wait for some more time.
Hey, I've heard about second round while drinking. What is this sort of second round, man? Hey, you don't take too much time here. I'm feeling very hungry. What man? I'm not getting any place to sit and eat. Yeah. Since morning I've not had anything. I was prepared to eat a very good meal for. Hey, have you still not stopped washing your hand or what? Just continue washing. Even if you go inside, you won't get food. Everybody had their good meal, but I only got whatever was left over. Now I am really feeling hungry because I didn't have my full. Now, if you think you are going to get good meal inside, you are also going to face the same problem. What problem? Hey, what are you doing now? Now you are going to brush your teeth or what? Hey, what is your problem, man? You go and do your work. I am running my own business here. Now I will see how you are going to eat in other banquets. I'll see. Oh my god, I'm feeling giddy, man. Yeah, have it. I'll only pour chutney once.
Oh my god, run fast!
If you drop knife or you shout here, I will not give you even 5 paisa.
I've seen lot of people like you. Do you know that? Don't try to act smart with me. You don't know my power, my dear friend. In this album, you will get a place one day, my dear friend. Number 1. This is number 2. And this is number 3.
Even if you show the album or even if you shout here, I'll not give you 5 paisa.
Oh.
Whatever you do here, make one thing very clear. I'm not going to give you 5 paisa. You bought a what? Hey, all the dead fellows from your album has come alive.
Why are you guys always trying to disturb me? You could have come here once I've collected money from him.
Did he give or not?
Who has given me? He's not even given a single penny. I'm asking from morning. Even though he knows I'm a big rowdy, instead of giving money, he's trying to misbehave with me. But still I'm trying.
Okay, so then let me give a try now. Hey, I am observing you since morning. There you were actually washing your hands and you wasted my time. Now again you are washing your hands and who are you trying to destroy? Hey, you guys are drunk very well. You did smoke also. You said your hands are itching, you wanted to hit someone. I have got a victim for you. You are going to hit him for the whole night. Come on, hit him, come on. You want to hit him very well. Yeah. Come on. Don't leave him. Hey, you've been hitting him for the whole day and you're not even crying a bit. Hey monkey, you will give the money or not? If you hit also, if you hit and kill me also, I will not give you even 5 paisa. Now what will I hit him with, man? Hey, please don't cry. Listen, brother. You keep 5 rupees from Why are you giving him 5 rupees? He will not even give 5 pennies. What does it mean? I cannot bear seeing you crying, man. Just stop it. I'll cry like that only. It's my right. Uncle. Oh my god.
Did he pay the money?
I only had to give and he's not giving only. He doesn't have money. If this is the condition, then who is going to respect me? Come and give you later, man.
Hey, Jimmy! Hey!
What, yeah? You're very pet at your home.
Yeah, very much. Hey, where are you going? Hey, what are you doing? Don't do that! Oh my god, what have you done? Hey, Jimmy, listen to me. Come here. Oh my god, what to do now?
Hey, what do you think of yourself? Your dog is urinating on my face. Is my face a bathroom for your dog or what? Hey, get up and get up and kick on your dog.
If you say anything about my Jimmy, that's it.
What a Timmy?
Leave it.
Come here, bloody. Hey, we
Don't
have not
touch
had
my
dog
Jimmy.
biryani. We'll have it today.
What are these guys talking too much and you're keeping silent? They look like shepherd boys. What the hell I should talk to them?
Hey, early in the morning you walk around with a dog and you say that we walk around with cattle, sir. Not only you, in the city, if we see anyone like you, we'll kill them. Hey, get lost. Go, yeah. Get lost, go. Give it, man. Hey, you go, lady. You go.
You're a bloody hooligan.
Leave it, man. Anyways, you'll be sleeping till 10 o'clock, right? Jimmy has come and woken you up at 6 o'clock, right? You should be happy, right? Is it like that? Then smell it. Right? How is it? Take your hand. You ask for it, right? If your dog has to urinate, make it urinate on your bed. If it comes to my bedroom, you and your dog both will have it. Hey, uncle. Your eyes are not open or what? We came to eat only, na? And you are just walking away.
But I'm already retired.
Hey, you have no idea of what you're retiring
No,
from.
please don't call me for this. I'm going.
Hey, whatever you asking me, he'll keep talking like this only. One, I'll give him. Come.
What? You took my food for granted or what? Your coming minute is getting over?
I programmed an alarm for 5 o'clock and I wanted to come and see you. I wanted to get free from them and come and see you. That's why it was late. You changed the color of this dish, dear.
For what, dear?
You and this dish are the same color.
You keep quiet. Okay, tell me what you want
Even
to
if
eat.
you give me poison, I'll have, but it should be from your hand. But for now, you give us something which is very light to eat. Hey,
Okay.
you have a house to eat, right? And you also have a hotel in your family, right? Then why are both of you sitting here and eating, man? Hey, you are carrying us over. Hey, you come here. Tell me. Rani likes young guys like you only, man. Is it? I have a fear that you will whack her off. Can I not think like that or what? What man, you are sitting very silently today. You are not talking anything or what?
Have it.
What is the difference today? Every day I have from her and only.
Sister is doing work now.
So what is the big deal? You can give the plate over to her, na? And you go and do
Yes, I'll
that
give
work.
you.
Let her come and feed me. Come. And you go and feed those fellows. Go and see if they are eating or not properly.
Please have this. What is this, dear? Always you have nicely. Now just one is enough for
Who
what?
said I am going to eat 10 today?
Only 10 is enough for
Then
what?
I am going to eat 20 today. Hey, that fellow is actually going on increasing his numbers. Don't finance him. And even if you finance him, don't reduce our share, okay? Hey, Adage, your brother has attempted suicide, man. Seems like God even cannot
Hey.
save me.
What is all this? I thought you were a tough man in your life, but you're behaving like a kid. Will someone commit suicide for this?
I
Don't you
know.
think you're a
I
brave
don't know. I
policeman's
think
son?
God also cannot
Don't
save
cry,
me
dear.
now.
You're a father
move,
of
man.
two children.
Hey, move. Hey, you fool. If you die, 2 children will be orphans, right? One I'll
Hey.
give you now.
Why are you beating him? He's already frightened a
So
lot.
what do I tell
Some
him now?
bloke like you had committed theft in his office, but people are suspecting him for that.
Okay, just explain what he's saying.
He was just going to bank to deposit the money by bus. Some robbers robbed it.
Which bus were you traveling by?
Yeah, try to explain clearly. Maybe the thief belongs to their group also.
Hey, I'm asking you which bus, right? Midday 12 o'clock route bus. Hey, look, buddy, one fellow is very oversmart and lighting a cigarette, right? We'll ask him first. Hey, who is it, man? Who has entered the midday 12 o'clock bus and committed robbery from your group?
We may travel by a bus. Government bus is running for us. What is your problem? You people are asking as though you're a checking inspector.
We are asking once more, who entered the bus at 12 o'clock in the midday? How dare you come and ask in our area that who has entered our bus?
Hey, you guys have come to our area. We'll see to that. We'll finish you off. Buddy, come out. Finish them off.
Will you have two slaughter? Will you have two Hey, who's leave me, man.
Don't leave the son of a bitch. Finish him off.
Hey, Mega, just run away. They have come. They have come.
Don't leave them.
Hey, stop here. What you're going to do? Huh? I won't leave you. Just stand here. Wait, I'll see you. If you get severely only, you'll listen. Hey, I am going.
Is this a thief's house or what? Tell me, come on. Hey.
Leave me.
Bloody fellow.
Hey, who are you? Get up. Come on. Hey, get up. Who are you? Go. I will kill you. Hey, don't leave your hand. Hey, I will see it. Come on, catch him. Kill him. Don't leave him. Come on,
Hey, wait, man.
Hey, you know the fellow. Just leave him. What nonsense are you doing here?
The money lender who lends me money itself will think twice to ask money back. And if you guys come like this and put up a fight, you thought I'll get scared or what? You have come inside, right? Now just forget the plans of going outside. Hey! We'll hit him by turns. Come on. Come on. Come on.
No,
Hey, give me the money here. Hey, come on. Give it here.
no.
Kill him, man.
Hey, come on, let's go fast. Let's go. Come on. We should not leave them. See. Hey. Come on. Hey, fast. Hey, don't just
Hey, if anybody comes closer, I'm going to kill him. Hey, if you are not going to give us the money, we are going to kill
Don't do
him.
anything to him. Here it is. Take your money. Please don't do anything to my husband. Here, this is your money. Come and take it. Please don't do anything to him.
How many ever policemen you have at home? A rowdy fellow like me only will be able to do some sort of job.
Yeah. One day you'll be encountered to death. That day I'll know your braveness.
You will encounter me.
Uncivilized barbarians.
Oh, is it you?
Hey,
Come inside.
hi sister, hi bro. Just came to check whether I'm alive or not, huh? Hey, take it, man. For this only you wanted to die, right? If you would have died now, people would have called you a fool. Look here, you also cannot do. Your father who is sitting outside in a cop. He also cannot do. Only I can do it, so I brought it. From now on, when I come, you say hi to me. If you don't know that, then ask from the elders how to respect the youngsters. Okay, shall I come? Now call me a brother. Mom. Mom really struggled a lot to get that money. Feeling very hungry, Mom. My parents are also waiting outside. They are also very hungry. Please give us some food.
We got the lost money. Your father is not at all even smiling for that. What dear, you're seeing like this? Come on, give it to them.
Okay, Mom.
Come on, have it.
Okay, have it.
Come
here.
on, you too have it. Why you're standing there? You also come and sit. Oh my God, what happened to you?
Mom. Nothing, Mom.
Hey, what is this, dear? You might be a little bit careful
It's okay,
now.
it's okay.
See how the blood
Hey,
is
this is
bleeding now.
nothing.
You might have gone to hospital and come now. If anything happens to you, we might have lost you, no?
Give it back. Leave my leg. Leave my leg. Hey, come on.
Please don't do anything.
You know how to take the money and then spend and enjoy, huh? And you don't know how to give it back, huh? You're taking. I'll take away the child. You give me the money and then I'll give you the child. No, Hey, who are you, man? Snatching away the child and showing Gundaism? Huh? Hey, he has taken money from me for some marriage, and when I'm coming to ask money, he'll say, come tomorrow, come tomorrow. Then what will I do? I'll not take the child. Ask the child and go. What? Hand over the child here. Come on. Get lost, man. You look so puny and you're coming and playing with people like me. Hey, who do you call a puny man? Hey, what do you mean? What do you mean by taking? Hey, don't take the child. Hey, come on. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, give the child. Don't play with us. You are not. Hey, you don't know about me. Hey, you don't know about me. Who I am? Who is there behind me? I'll come and tell you. I'll come and talk to you. Hey, get lost, man. I don't want to know. Get lost, man. You're a big gangster, as if you are. Get lost. We'll mash your head off, man. Sister, don't worry. Even if he comes, we'll take care of it. Don't worry. Go and do your job and take care of it. As if he's a big bloody gangster. Let him come. We'll see him. Hey, buddy, buy me a cigarette, yeah? Oh, okay, dude. Hey, what man? He's asking for a cigarette and he's smiling.
Hey, his girlfriend is coming now. That's why.
Hey, what are you doing? See, what are you doing? Hey, stop. What are you doing? Come on. What are you doing, man? You are stealing in broad daylight or what?
Hey, this is my
Hey,
house.
telling a lie or what? I'll give you one now. What, dude? You always say that you don't have a house and you always find time to spend with us, right? Early morning without brushing your teeth, you have 10 buns, right? And that too cream buns. Rascal. Hey, when in his life has he spoken the truth? You are asking him all these things. Now only I got to know he's a big fraudster, man. Hey, everybody's shouting and yelling at you and you are only going on laughing. Everybody's asking, right? Don't you say or what? Hey, he can't hear anything what we say or what? His ears are blocked or what? Let's go ask him.
Guys, there is a reason why do we keep a big door at the entrance
Hey, his
alone.
photo is here,
How
man.
much ever we grow, we should bow when we come inside the
Hey,
house.
he's giving a big lecture, man. Listen
Sit
here.
down. Sit down, guys.
What, uncle? You have such a big house and you're sleeping with guys like us outside.
This is a very difficult place to stay alone.
Is there no one here or what?
Yeah, I had, but not now.
What happened, uncle?
I too had a family of wife and children.
What are you saying, uncle?
On my marriage day, all of us went to a temple, traveling in my friend's auto rickshaw. There was a lorry coming opposite to us. A sudden accident happened there. Because of that accident, I lost my family. Fate had separated my family from me. God was very cruel to me because I didn't die with him.
Uncle.
I thought I got a family, but I lost everything. After that, I have not cut my hair at all.
Sometimes you guys try to make fun of me and play with me. Sometimes he used to ask me, don't you ever get angry in your life at all? I have lost everything in my life. Then why should I get angry? That's the reason I always tell I'm retired. I'm retired. That's what I tell. To be very frank, from the family life, I've retired long back. Guys, do you know something? If my children had been living with me today, they would have been just like you. I consider you as my children. That's the reason when I'm spending time with you, I always feel that I'm with my children. I'm not an orphan. I'm not an orphan. When I die, you will have to do the cremation for me because you're all my family. I hope I've not told anything wrong.
What, uncle? You're so deeply hurt.
We are not
Why,
like
uncle?
children.
Don't
We are
worry,
your
uncle. We are
children.
there, right?
We are
here,
here,
right? A super figure wearing an orange saree.
What did you say? From back you're feeling like a figure and front you're calling me a sister, huh? I'll stamp you, idiot.
I will never see your back again.
I'll kill you,
Yo,
rascal.
man. Why is that lady always behind you, man? What is your problem with that lady?
Hey, order for tea and you mind your own business, man.
Hey, man, first reveal the story and then order for tea.
Hey, leave it, man. You're all small guys now. Why should I?
Bro, please tell her. Please tell her. We are
No,
asking
yaar, I
like
cannot
this.
say.
Hey, say,
You're
man,
all
I'm telling you,
small
no?
guys.
Hey, say, man.
2 years back, I went to look for a bride in this lady's house. Don't worry about the dowry and all. See if you like the girl or not. What are you doing, man? Leave her, man! Leave her! Leave her, I say! Why are you shouting like a jungler in the house, man? What, man? I called you to see my girl and you're whacking my wife and going over. Oh, the ladies have changed or what? Hey, you didn't know that
Okay,
itself or what?
leave it here. He is so powerful.
You should be... Sister! Then from then on, they started hating me. They started fighting among themselves. Then she started going around with other people. Huh. Based on the situation today, she is the leading superstar here in our place. 3286848484. That's her number.
Uncle, please dial a number and give her.
You will not get a date so fast, dear. Sister is always busy.
Who hurt you, buddy?
There, the fellow is sitting there.
Hey, I didn't do this knowingly, man. It just happened.
These guys seems to be a small children playing in the cricket ground. Did they beat you? It's unbelievable.
Yes, brother.
Hey, you guys, come here.
Oh, my God. He is a very dangerous fellow, man.
That we'll talk and see who he is now.
Oh,
come.
I cannot come with you guys, man. I will escape. Where are you going, man?
It seems there's going to be a big problem, na?
Hey, there is a problem now, right?
Yeah.
Based on this, there will be another problem.
yeah.
We will see what that problem is.
Okay.
You keep quiet here. Always maintain a mentality for giving first aid.
Hey, bro, it's your brother or what, bro? We didn't know, bro. If we knew, we would have hit him or what?
Is that so?
What is that out, bro? You're such a very big person, bro. You control so many gangs, bro. We are small fellows here, actually, who do small things. That you should not take it seriously,
You
right?
bloody uncivilized barbarians trying to show off in front of me? Bloody buggers!
Hey, bro. Don't try using your muscles, sir. Then we'll also retaliate later.
What are you doing?
Hey, what is your plan, man? You are hitting on everyone.
Bugger, you have guts to keep your hand on me? Bloody bugger! Hey! Stop it! Why are you hitting them? It's a small problem with the younger generation. Trying to act as a spiritual person and playing with these guys.
Hey, brother. If you are small or big, we show him right now.
Hey, now the problem is going to catch fire from here.
Hey, bro, you just want to know whether we are big or not, right? Our deeds will speak for that. Now, see. This will show whether we are big or small. When we were talking, you used your hands, right? Now take this from us. Now see we are big or small. And one more thing. Now if you're going to talk too much here, now you're going to get it really nice from us. Get out from here, get out, get out. They are under intoxication, brother. They themselves do not know what they're going to do next, brother. We'll leave now, brother. We'll take care of them later, brother.
What, buddy? You're simply sitting and talking that your brother has been stabbed by these fellows? First you should stab them and then come and sit here, right?
Cool, buddy. These days, youngsters think that showing some style is bravery. I know what to do with them. I'm just waiting for an opportunity to take revenge on them. When those guys attacked my brother, I remained silent. I will destroy them, not one, but the entire group.
That's the point.
Come. Yeah, welcome.
Hi, sir.
Welcome. Please come. Yeah, please come. Welcome, everybody.
Buddy,
Yes, bro.
keep the vehicle ready, no delay.
Yes, boss.
We have to finish him off and then go to the shop nearby police
Right,
station.
sir. The groom's friend wants to talk to you separately. Please come outside.
Okay. Come.
Yeah, bro.
Hi, son.
Good morning. I want to talk to you separately.
What's the matter?
It's a very important matter. Come.
Yeah, come. What is the important matter, son? Why are you closing the door, son?
Hey! If the sand is taken from the shore, or if they break the stones, what is your problem? Do you want to see how the way you're getting killed now, sir?
Hey, who are you, sir? What are you trying to do?
Boss, your weapon has fallen down.
Can't you walk a little slowly in the road, my dear friend? Watch and go.
That's for you.
Me?
Look, boss, those guys are now getting scared of us, I guess. Try to get as much money as we can. Just turn with some gimmicks so that they get scared. Oh, my
Have you seen a knife,
eyes.
baby? Have you seen blood? Have you seen stitching? Or ever have you seen a dead body in your life?
Have you at least seen that in an album?
Will you stop talking nonsense?
I've told you don't make my boss shout. My hair is paining, right?
Huh?
You have pushed the weapon down. That's okay. Keep the knife in the cover and then kiss my boss's hand and then keep moving. We'll forgive you. We always have the habit of forgiving, right? What, bro? He's talking too much and you are standing and staring?
Leave it, buddy. These two are just comedy people. Let's move from these buffoons.
What, boss? We are talking so seriously now and they are calling us comedy buffoons.
You're
huh?
right.
Boss, just give a harsh look.
6 cup of tea.
What, man? When girls come to study in the college, you want to spoil them, huh? Why, I will bloody you. You'll never get up and...
What kind of tea is this? Can people drink this tea? You fool!
Hey, why are you pouring tea on my face, man? You bloody fellow!
Fool, trying to hit me? Can't put a normal tea and you're trying to
This
hit me.
fellow was too smart. Actually, I wanted to hit him. Now somebody is coming and hitting him. Good. Let them hit him now. Now we can sit and watch, right?
Hey, stop it, man. Hey, come on. Hey, coming here and making problems. Hey, come on, you creating problems outside the police.
Leave me.
Come on,
I said leave me.
Come on,
Hey,
lock him. Come on, lock this fellow up.
Take your hand. We just smashed the shop. We are not killers.
You only smash the shop now. I'll show you what I'll smash now. Come inside. Come on. Show this now. He has done some crime outside. Then he came and smashed the shop. And technically he's coming inside
This is
now.
all very normal as it is, sir.
Only had money for liquor, not for snacks.
Hey, see what I brought for you. Take this side dish. Have it.
This is a loving brother.
Snatching and chips out of my underwear.
Hey, what bro? You're snatching for small children or what?
Take your side dish. Go.
Hey, you again,
No, yaar, no, sorry. Hey, if you are a true warrior, you come and fight with me, or I'll see how you can fight
Hey,
with
throw
me.
this away, man. Hey, why, man? Why did you throw my liquor away?
Hey, you want liquor only, right? We'll go to the bar. Come.
What is special today, man?
Today, my great mother has died. Now only I really feel very relieved. Somewhere on the highway, she has actually hanged herself and died. You're mad or what, man? Giving a party when your mother is dying, huh? You don't know about her, brother. For her pleasure, she ran away with a young man. For that, my father suicided. After that, when I went to my father's relatives, they drove me away from there. When I went to my mother's relatives, they also hit and drove me away from there. After that, I was roaming around here only like an orphan.
Hey, who's an orphan, man? Fellow, we are not here or what? Don't talk like a mad fellow, man.
Hey, brother. Hey, look here. There are so many relatives for you. Don't worry, man. You think every family is happy or what? There will be some other problem, man. Have you ever seen me drinking or what? But today I'll be drinking for your happiness. Come.
Hey,
come,
come,
Let's go. Come. Come, man. I'm very happy today. You have as much as liquor you want.
Hey, somebody clean it, man. Hey, ask your boss to come here, man. And also, before that, bring a stool, man.
People out here are scared of us. Why do you think so? What is your opinion?
We'll stab them, right?
As if we'll stab. In broad daylight, we create problems after drinking, right? That's why. Look here. What are you guys drinking, man? Such a little man in his size, but look at the quantity that he's drinking. Huh? Hey, what is this problem, man? Hey, what, you are pregnant or what? And crying, vomiting and crying, vomiting and crying. What's your problem?
Drinking for first time.
Why the hell are you drinking?
To forget all my worries.
What are your problems?
Early morning I wake up, I clean the house, wash the vessels and wash the clothes too. I do cooking for all at home too, sir. Today when I was making a dish, I put little salt in that, sir. That I got nicely from my family, sir.
Yes, man, you'll end up crying. Okay, do one thing. Consume half of
No, I will not have.
Why?
That I purchased for my entire family, sir.
Is it? Then have from the smaller bottle.
That's for my wife's sister, sir.
You have really got married from a dangerous family.
They are very strong people,
Hey,
sir.
how come you expect people to be scared of you if you sit here and drink, man?
Where else should I go?
You
Tell
go to the
me.
opposite shop. There will be a board mentioning pesticides sold
Okay,
here.
sir.
There you go and ask for whisker.
Okay, sir.
Have it and everyone will be scared of you.
Are you sure about that, sir?
Absolutely. If you go right now, in half an hour, you'll become a ghost.
Okay,
Not
sir.
only your wife, but every single person's wife will be scared of you. Now go on.
Thank you so much, sir. I will never ever forget you in my
why will
life,
you
sir.
remember me after
See
all
you
this,
later.
man? You should be only remembering your wife, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, and people like that. I'm actually allergic to ghosts. Look at what this fellow has done. He has left everything, whatever he has purchased. Is anybody scared of his wife? Is anybody scared of his wife? I need liquor.
What can we do? It's raining like this. I don't think we can go home early.
Even if you
Hey,
stand
what
here,
are
we
you
are getting
doing?
wet, man.
Why are you pulling my
Hey,
saree?
it was lying there simply only. When did your daughter get married?
Hey, you are the fellow who actually kissed your mother-in-law, right? Don't talk to
I've
me.
been killed long time back, man. He's a good for nothing fellow.
Hey, just shut your mouth.
Brother, the fellow who stabbed me that day, he's standing there. There he's standing. We should not let him go free, brother.
Now I've got a different idea, buddy. He is moving with our friend's daughter. We just have to inform our friend. He will destroy one by one of this group.
What you said is right, brother.
You guys were trying to act smart with me. Now I know how to handle you guys. Come, let's move.
What, man? The cash is very less.
Brother, that millionaire fellow has not given the money yet, brother.
Hey, instead of going and asking him money, you are standing here and talking with me. Go
Okay,
here.
brother, I'll go and get it, brother.
Hi, buddy. Both the brothers are earning good money and busy in their business, right? Carry on, carry on. You may have to shift to a new town with the entire family to start a drug business.
What, dude? Being sarcastic, huh?
Not at all. I'm just telling what is going to happen.
What, man? What is going to happen now?
You have a very lovable and a very affectionate sister at home, right? That sister is trying to date a person who tried to kill my brother. That bloody bugger will take your sister away from you and enjoy in his life. Mark my words, buddy.
Hey, don't come here and talk nonsense with us, okay?
So you don't believe us, buddy? Just explain to them what we saw there.
What he's saying is right, sir. We saw her in the bus stand. With those loafer guys, she is roaming around the whole day without going to college.
Hey! It's no use of scolding now. Nowadays, all these youngsters don't listen to elders at all in their life. Because it's a generation gap. You leave her matter. Instead of trying to change her, you guys bring that boy and give him nicely so that she will change herself.
What are you talking? Is it good if a girl from our house keeps roaming around the whole day? We should keep her under control. Here she comes.
Vijay.
Hey, he's calling, right? Ask what's the matter.
Yes, tell me, brother.
Why were you late?
It was raining heavily.
Rain. So many umbrellas are here. So many cars are left outside. You should have taken either of these, right? You're giving an excuse of rain.
Hey, dumb fella. If it is raining, you ask her to sit at home. You're advising her to go in car and umbrella and all
Heard
that.
it right. Try not to be late henceforth.
Hey! You go inside here.
Okay, father.
In what year tomorrow you're going for outer station?
Yes, yeah.
Hey, again your dog is going that side. Come on, Jimmy, pull fast. Don't just let it go there. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Jimmy, you again putting me in trouble. Hey, Jimmy. Oh god, he's getting up.
Hey, I told you that day itself, right? You and your dog should not come to my bedroom. This is becoming a regular affair, huh? Hey, why are you crying? Stop crying, ma'am. What did I say now? If a girl cries, I cannot bear, right? Hey, somebody explain her, huh? I don't know your name only, hey, Ponytail. Stop crying. Listen, I'll do something. I'll go lie down. Ask your dog to come and pee on my face. Huh? Okay. Can I lie down? What more can I do? Listen, whenever your dog wants to pee, ask it to pee on my face, huh? Okay? Is it okay? Okay. Wait 1 sec. Ask it to pee on my face. Ask it to come. Come.
Come,
Hey,
let's
come on,
go.
yeah.
Hey, why are you people going away? Hey. Hey,
What,
how many times we might have cried before? Have you ever felt for us even once? I don't know why you like that dog and the dog also likes you, or even the female. I don't know. God knows. Hey, why are you talking unnecessarily? Keep quiet. Hey, I know you, man. When you see a female's tears, everything will become normal for you only. Hey, keep quiet and lie down, man. Hey, you don't want to wipe your face or what?
Today is not stinking, man. How will it stink after all?
Hey bro, what are you trying to do with it?
When we have to do something, we have to start learning, and that is how we learn to do something new, right? We should learn doing all this, dude. Where are those fellows, man?
They have gone to neighbor town.
Go and call them. Tell them I have prepared something new for them. Ask them to come fast.
Okay bro.
Hey guys, chicks are coming. Let's ask them. Hey, you're coming from the temple. Now you don't have anything for us to eat or what?
Beggar only used to sit in
Even if you give us alms, that'll be great. Give us something to eat, na. Hey! Hey, who is shouting from far, man? Who are these indecent loafer fellows, man? I'm coming. Hey! Come here, man. Why are you irritating young girls, man? You have no sense of what? Hey, we are talking with girls from our village. What is your problem? What? You talk to everyone in your area. Look there. Leave that girl in the red color dress. She's very close to me. We are deeply related, actually. Tell ma'am. Open your mouth and speak, ma'am. Standing and staring as if you're seeing me for the first time. Every day in the morning, your dog comes and pee on my face, na? Only after that, I have my Betty only, yeah? In that way, we are related, dude. For the last couple of days, I'm not seeing you and your dog. Went to write your exam or what? Nobody to wake me up in the morning and say good luck, right?
Come soon guys. We'll not be able to get the tickets for the film. Come on, quick. Move fast.
Why you so late?
These girls only
She only late, dear.
It's already late.
you booked a ticket, huh?
Move on. The film is going to start now. Come on, quick.
Okay,
let's go.
Come, uncle, let us also go and see the movie.
But I have already retired.
Hey, dude, people who act in the movie are not retiring. Why are you retiring?
I'm not bothered about that. I'll put a DVD at home and
Oh
see.
my god. Which means people who watch CD are people who are retired. Where is your ticket? Including me only 6 tickets.
Bonus is not
Hey,
there,
before
huh?
the movie starts, we'll go inside. Somebody will see. What, man? You are the grocery shop owner only, right? Yes, bro, you are right. Hey, you have left the shop like that and you have come to watch a movie, huh? No, bro. What, man? You have brought your auntie or what?
No,
What auntie?
actually-
You're with him today or what? Wow, wait, man. I'm
No,
going to
there's
inform
nothing
your
like
wife today. I know her personally. I'll talk to her.
Yes, what is the problem here? Oh, my sister.
Hey, useless fellow. Because of you only, my life has become like this.
What, sister? Why are you blaming my brother about all this? Today you are famous because of my brother only. He only made you like this so
Oh,
famous, right?
sweetheart.
You are actually suffering for one person. Now you are actually not knowing any suffering, right?
See, when you say the fact, now look at her face blushing.
It's all because of you.
Hey, you guys are fighting here. Just because of you only I came to watch the movie. Now you let us go and watch the movie, right? Come.
Hey, see that, buddy? The hero's really great.
Look back also.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please sit low
Yeah,
and
shut
block?
up, okay?
Super. Brother, please sit low. Your head is blocking the screen. Brother, your head is blocking the screen. Will you lower your head or should I cut it off?
Hey, Blue. That guy and this girl here, only once they collided, right? They immediately fell in love, right? We are sitting for so long. How many times we have collided? Why our romance has not begun? Are you wearing the goggles and watching the movie? It will look really cool. You won't get swine flu also.
Back, back.
Hey, remove your leg, man. It's blocking the screen.
Hey, get less man.
Will you move it or should I move it? That's good.
Hey, what dear? Today also it's raining a lot. That day itself my brother scolded me a lot. Today my brother going to kill me a lot.
Rain will stop early, don't worry.
That day itself I told you I won't come. See here, it's getting late.
Hey, stop it, man. Come a little back. Instead of going to college, you are roaming around here. I'll cut you into pieces.
Hey, what you doing?
Hey, leave me.
Come on,
I've
say.
sent her to college and now she's roaming around with everyone. What's happened? Hey, why are you hitting her so badly like this?
My son, tell the reason you can beat her.
Hey, instead of going to class and study, then she's roaming around with guys here. Today she has got to see a movie also. Hey, is it true? What he's saying is true or what? Open your mouth and talk.
Hey,
Tell me,
say
hey,
a
what
word.
are you talking to her for so long? Hit her, give her.
Hey,
Give her.
don't hit her.
Hey, take her inside and lock her up in.
Why are you killing that
Hey, you
child?
keep quiet. You keep shut, mom. Listen, in this house, even guys can do a lot of mistakes. If the females do one mistake, cut your throat and hang you upside
Hey.
down.
You need not go to college anymore. Just stop your studies. Listen to us. Is this the way you grow a girl child?
I never did anything wrong.
Auntie, look, under the tree, your son is sitting there. God knows when they are going to become alright.
Mom is coming, man.
What, sister? As soon as you came, mom brought you to the temple or what?
Then what? For a son like you, what else she can do?
Hey, what big mistake did I do for that?
What, dear? You people at least can say no. If he get married means he will be responsible at least. He is not at all listening to me.
Hey, mom, is this marriage a problem? Come with me, I'll tell you. Oh, this fellow is going
What
to
is
reveal
he going to
everything.
say?
Mom, you want to get him married, right? That's your problem, right? If you ask him to marry any girl, how will he marry? In his mind also, there is a girl.
Who's that?
Actually, it is your sister only.
Is it?
Hey, Mad Donkey, why are you asking me all this? What, dear? If both my daughters are in the same house, I am only happy, right? Please go ahead and make arrangements for the marriage.
Welcome, welcome,
Ah,
boss.
hello,
Welcome.
hello.
What happened?
Yeah,
Why so
how are
late for
you?
function? Welcome,
Fine.
sir. Please come.
Hello,
Please
sir.
come. Hope you're fine, sir.
Hey, what is it, man? Standing as if in a bus stand? Hey, get ready, man. Hey, you are ready, right? You get lost. Look at the entire team, man. All are like, hey, you Mad Donkey. You are the groom, you know that, right? Shoving a cigarette in your ears. Hey, why is he like this, man? I can't tolerate his nonsense, man. Moreover, the marriage is at the girl's house. Tongue and the mouth is totally dry. Hey, buddy, do you have any stuff with you or what? Hey, dude, the marriage is at the girl's house here. It'll look very bad. Give you one now. Only we three will know, right? Yes, please come and sit. No one is sitting or what? Simply arranging a chair, sir. Sister, please at least you come and sit.
How are you? What is this, brother? Today is your marriage. You are wearing this kind of dress.
Dude,
What
why
is this,
are you
brother?
like this, dude? Che, at least you see if the girl is ready or what. Yeah, yes,
Okay.
please go inside and take care of everything. Hey, dude, what did you say now? I asked you to take care of everything. So, you are the main person here, we are outsiders and you are the insider fellow, huh? I didn't mean like that, I just came today, right? Hey,
No, please. I am not interested in such activities. Please leave me.
hello uncle, good luck. Hello, Rose. You are also Rose.
Shit.
This is also Rose. Can I bring you rose milk to drink?
No thanks.
At least one bowl of dessert?
No
Some
thanks.
fruits and stuff like that?
Hey, that and all they will give in marriage home itself.
Can I get you a beautiful rose color slipper?
Why? I have to beat her.
Welcome. Hey, handsome groom.
Hi, my dear son. When I heard that you're getting married, I was so happy.
Please bless
God bless you, my dear son. Except 1 year after the marriage, your wife should give birth to a child. I will take care of the child, okay? I'm so happy.
Look, dear,
Yeah.
keep all the flowers to my daughter-in-law and she must look like an angel, okay?
This is too much.
Welcome, brother. When are they
Yes,
coming?
uncle.
It's getting so
Look, dear,
Yes.
Just get
give it.
blessings from
I'll give it.
everyone.
Well, please take it and bless the bride and the groom. Here is your queen coming. Your queen is coming. Come on, dear sister.
Hey, shut up, man. I'll give you one.
Yeah, please sit.
That's-
That's okay. That's okay. It's okay.
You also come. You also come. Please come in. Oh God, bless us. Yeah, please take some. Don't put it in your mouth.
I know.
What, bro?
Ah.
First night he only should be awake, right? Why is he asking us to be awake in front of this temple?
Hey, that's because there are lots of fruits there, right? He'll be sending it for us to eat.
You are another. What, man? He is expecting some stuff or what? What, man? You have got something with you or what?
What, man? You're talking like this. Yesterday itself I told you everything is over, right? Oh my dear God! Please save me from these drug addict fellows.
Hey, what are you doing, man, at this time? What, man? You're a big sacrificer or what? Get up, man. Hey, you kept quiet and you made me a fool, right?
Hey, what is the point in calling us here and you fighting with him?
You yourself ask him what is the reason.
Hey, what is it, man?
Hey, buddy. What is it, buddy?
Hey, he's asking.
He's
right?
asking you now.
Hey.
Open your mouth and say. What, man?
Dear, I have done a big sacrifice for you. Whatever bad habits you have, please leave it, dear.
What big sacrifice did you do?
In fact, I did not love you. In fact, I only loved your friend. Whenever I used to pass by you, you have misunderstood the way I looked at you. Actually, I was looking at your friend only. Me and your friend loved each other very much. Why, my dear? You always roam around with these loafer guys?
Oh, that. Tomorrow there shouldn't be any issue for us, right? Not only that, I needed a reason to meet you always, right?
There is no place that we have not gone around together, and there is no day that we have not been together.
Can we go or what?
Yeah, start. And suddenly, our engagement happened. Think of some way to stop the marriage. Instead of thinking that, why are you keeping silent?
I didn't want any damage to happen for our marriage. I wanted to get married with you. That's why I became friendly with all those guys. But he himself will like you so much. I didn't expect that.
Now for that, can I get married to him or what?
Please understand, dear. If you get married to him, he'll come up in life a lot. Please, for heaven's sake, you get married to him only. I just request you, please get married to him and just forget about me.
My dear son, whatever has happened. We don't have any other way.
Why there is no other way? Why there is no other way? I should be good. That is what these people decide, right? Now they should be good. I cannot decide. Or what? Hey friend, in this marriage, everyone in the village had come and blessed you. Don't spoil and damage that. What am I damaging here? Two different minds coming together and happily getting married is called a marriage. But my marriage is not a marriage. It's like a funeral, man. Here, take it. Tie it on her neck. What are you looking at? Tie it, man. Look here. What should be done after my death has been done right now. Now if you don't marry, I'll die. Hey, friend.
Hey, as it is, you have slaughtered his mind. Now you want to kill him also, what? Tie it on her neck.
Hey, tie it, man. Tie it, man. Tie it. What are you thinking? You're expecting a background score or what? Come on. Clap, 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 clap. Tie it, man. Clap, clap, clap. Tight, man.
Hey, just stop it. What are you trying to do with that girl's life?
Are you pimping her or what?
Hey, you were the one who told that you like this girl and now you're changing your statement, you bloody bugger. Just ask him. You also go. Go and ask him. Can I ask you one question? You guys don't have any brains at all? You're stupid fellows.
Hey, leave me alone. Hey, take it from me. I didn't pimp your daughter, nor did I pimp your daughter-in-law. My wife desired, and I only gifted the life she desired. And no one who is standing here has got the right to ask. Before I lose my patience, you keep moving. Go.
Hey, shit! Are you not ashamed to talk like this in front of us? You will have to face the consequences for this. You're not a girl. You're a bitch. I'm cursing you. You people will definitely struggle in your life without nobody's help at all. Let them get lost from our family. Come, let's move. We don't have any relationship with this group of rogues. Come, let's move. Uncivilized barbarians.
Hey, let them get lost, man. In front of them, you should live successfully and show them. Only then, your love will have some meaning. And whatever we have done will have some respect. Take her with you, man. Come.
By the time I get a card from you, I think I'll die.
Bro, just because that girl desired, even beyond his desire, he has sent her with that boy, no?
That's right.
But he loved her so much, right?
Huh.
That is why he's not able to forget her and suffering a lot.
There is a nice medicine for this.
Huh?
Can we use that medicine here or
What
what?
do you mean by there is a nice medicine? You want him to fall in love with someone else or
Hey,
what?
keep your mouth shut, man. Hello, sir. Do you have stuff or what?
What did you think? I'll not have it or what?
Actually, it is my mistake. I shouldn't be asking you. Right from the shrub, it comes to your pocket, I guess.
What, dude? Is it for you or what?
It's not for me, man. You mind your business, na. Hey, somehow I'm going to marriage and get that lady here. You also get him ready.
Why are you saying that you will only prepare omelette for me?
No. In the recent heavy rains, I heard that you got a very bad cold. That's why I'm doing all this for you. Now I'll just go all around this place, get some herbal medicines, then mash it properly for you, and make 6 omelets out of it. Everything will become alright. First you eat this. Will I say lies or what? Have it. Yeah. Don't bite my fingers. Have it carefully. How is it?
It's really superb. Can I get some
What
more?
sort of a question is this? Till I empty the packet, I'll go on making.
Huh? What packet?
What I mean is till the egg finishes. Here, have some more. Hey, from now onwards, we are going to stop drinking, man. No more drinking in our area.
Hey!
We won't do all this here.
Why are you not even looking here?
We've got some other work, sister.
Sister?
When the girl is calling you with so much love, why don't you guys respond?
Do you ever turn a bullseye egg or what?
Maybe her taste would have changed.
That is it.
Okay, let's move.
Uncle, I'm also.
Hey, where are you going inside? Are you not ashamed? I told you yesterday itself we don't have a relation with you.
Hey, you keep your law and order in the police station. I also have a share in this house.
that so?
Anyone has got guts to say no to me. The quarry is very close by. I'll just get some ammunition and blow the house into pieces. Then everybody can sit together and blow the
Hey,
trumpet.
this kind of smartness you can show to your mother, not with me.
Hey,
Be
you
careful.
get lost first,
Useless
man.
Why you're
bugger.
doing all unwanted things and giving us torture like this?
Hey, torture is only for me, right? Not for you people, right? I'm only taking the torture, right? Move, man. You and your full sleeve shirt.
Your mutton curry is super, man.
It's okay, dear. You people have left your parents and come here to work. But my son is not like that. Please, you only have to look after him.
Brother, everybody in the college comes in their own bike. Please buy me also a bike, brother.
Hey, what you're asking? They are just doing hard work and earning. Why can't you go in bus?
Mom, it's okay, Mom. He's just like my brother. Let him buy. I'm working hard only for my family, Mom. Huh?
Hey, what do you
Come
mean
inside.
by calling me like this?
Mom and Dad are went out, so only I called you.
Oh.
What you're seeing upstairs?
Nothing.
Come inside. Come. Sit here. Sit here, no. Sit. You had a good food or not, I don't know. But I need to prepare a food for you, so only I told you to come here. Have it. Why you're crying? Hey, what happened?
These sort of houses, I've only seen from far. You're living so well, over. I am a platform fellow. Without liking my face, only my mother threw me away in the platform. How did you like this wretched face? I am an orphan boy.
Don't cry. Why you're talking like this?
there for you.
I'm there for
Don't
you.
be like me.
Don't worry, I'm there
for
for you. Hey, here, please take this. To you also, please have.
Hey, come in, come in. Why is he not even bothering?
He's like that only. Who cares? You please take this.
Hey, if you ask, I'll keep, no? See how you're eating in the vessel.
Okay, leave that. Who cooked the food?
I went to shop now. Your sister-in-law only just prepared. Why? What happened?
She only knows how to dress up well and show off in front of everyone. Does she know how to cook or what? Who asked her to cook right now?
Hey, stupid. Why are you shouting like this? Your brother will hear this.
So what do I have to do? Does he have two horns or what? Why do you talk about him? He is a henpecked fellow. What does he know about cooking? He only knows how to circumambulate around his wife. They will do whatever they like. So what? I have to eat this food or what?
Why are you abusing your sister-in-law?
What sister-in-law? Is she a saint or what? Ask her to get lost from here. This is also my place. I will
fellow,
talk
I'll
whatever
take
I
care
want
of
to
it.
talk.
Hey, what do you mean by talking like this, yeah? How dare you talk about my wife?
Hey, no.
You are the fellow who wants to help our family. I will not leave you,
Come on, listen to me.
It's my house. I can say whatever I want. Doesn't go for a job. Hey, listen carefully. You take your husband and run away from here. Otherwise, I'm going to bash his head off.
We
Hey,
heard it.
why should I go, man? I also belong to this house only, right?
We heard it. We will do that. We will leave very soon. After you said so much, we are not going to stay here. We will go. Come on,
Go
we'll
get
go.
lost.
No, son.
Why should I be
don't
staying in a
go,
house?
please.
There is no value for
Please,
me.
just
Leave
leave
me.
me.
Let's go. We cannot stay here. He's so younger than me. He's not even considering me that I'm his brother's wife. No respect at all.
I'm just warning you, Mom. This fellow is going out of hand. This fellow is a drug addict. He can kill you anytime. I'm just warning you. I just feel bad about this house. Just come in, leave it.
Please don't take them.
Don't go. Please don't leave us and go.
Listen to me.
Hey, wait. Let's go a little later. Let your father come. After that, we'll go.
Not required. We
Why
have
are
to
you
go.
taking decisions in haste?
Here, everybody is fighting. We
No,
have to
dear.
go.
Please don't go. Listen to me.
What, dear? Why are you leaving so early? What happened now?
Everybody will come to the parents' house to be happy. But everything was spoiled by that loafer fellow.
What are you talking?
Yes, Papa. That fellow threw brother and sister out of the house.
Where is he? Hey!
Now you go and fight with them. I'm leaving.
Hey! Get up, you bloody bugger! What do you think of yourself? You're telling them to get away from this house? What rights you have to tell them from going away from this house? Now I'm telling you, you don't have any rights now. Get out! Get out! I said get out from this house.
Hitting like this,
Get
yeah?
out, you
I'm
fool.
also tolerating a lot. Just because you're a father, you'll hit or what? Once more you try hitting me, I'll chop your hands off. Move, man.
Hey, you're keeping
Hey,
hands
move
on me.
Hey, just stop. What you're doing? Why are you beating him?
If father dies, a second son, and if mother dies, the eldest son should do the rituals. Your youngest son has done that to me now.
Oh God.
Oh, is it you? Why did you come here? Huh? You should be.
Just forgive me, sister. Just forgive me.
Get up.
Forgive me.
What
I
are you
didn't
doing?
do it
Get up.
knowingly.
Why are you falling at my feet and crying? Why are you crying now? I'm asking you, why are you crying?
I should be respecting you like my mother, but I've insulted you so much, sir. Please forgive me, please.
Hey, my uncle light me cigarette this way only. Learn it carefully.
Just like me copying my father and spoiling my life, my brother's children should not copy me and spoil their life. Those guys should study nicely and become very big in life. That is enough for me. That is enough for me. That is enough for me. In fact, the food that you have made was really very nice. None of the shops should be closed and none of the footsteps should be empty. You guys sit here and keep smoking. Do you know what your father is telling everyone about you? He is going to arrest everyone by putting a false case on us. Be careful about that. Why are you talking about that fellow here? Hey, don't you guys have any self-respect or what? Do you know how your big brother is? Whenever I dress up in the morning, I keep my self-respect in my pocket. You understand that first. Look at what he's talking. Hey, who is this bearded guy, man? Hey, dude. In my lodge, a new item has come. Is anybody of you interested? Oh my God. One I'll give you now. Do you have any idea who you're talking to? Brother, just try it, man. New female only. Hey, get lost, man. I'll pour hot tea on your face. Hey, bloody fella. Hey, you guys sit down. Hey, I'm that bloody fellow. Come here. You bloody nonsense fella. Hey, who's this fellow, man? How dare you talk to me? Hey, he's got the right, yeah. That's why he's calling like that. What bloody right are you talking about? Oh my God, he's got every right. He's got the universal right. You say, my dear uncle. Who is your bloody uncle, man? Just because of you, I hit my wife and she ran away to her mother's house. Heard this. After this, my daughter was fed up of staying with me and she also ran away. Understood. What sort of a family? In such a house, can I stay alone or what? As a single person, all alone, nobody to take care of me. I'm suffering, man. Is this your problem? If I would have married your daughter, you will become my father-in-law. But now, since I am arranging a girl for you, I am your father-in-law. Come. Hey, who is here? Where are you taking him? That is, every time when a sister sees me, who comes and beats me all the time. You have seen, na? That sister's husband is this guy. Come, uncle, come. The person who has self-respect in his pocket is now become like this. After 2 p.m., there is no self-respect for me at all. Leave it. Where is the female, man? I'm showing you right. The sponsor has come. Where is the picture? You go straight and then turn left. The very first room. Thank you very much, bro. Come here fast, uncle. You are talking about some picture, right? What picture? The picture is inside, my dear uncle. You were saying that you were all alone, right? Please get in.
It's you.
Is it you?
It's you.
Is it you?
It's you.
I have still not forgiven you.
Till now you didn't change your mind.
Uncle might be really enjoying inside. Where is Specs? How was it? Was it good? Did you enjoy it? Hey, leave it, man. You are asking the quality of my own wife or what? Sister. What do you mean by sister? I will hit you, man. Leave it, uncle. With one tight slap, you made sister like this and you are talking to me, By now, as of today, my sister might have known everything. Without thinking too much, you take sister home and have fun. Giving a new life to a fallen female is the latest trend in town. Therefore, uncle, please go ahead with the latest trend. Hey, buddy. Why are you worried? You look here. From a known source, I am told that I will be given 25,000 rupees. As soon as I get the money, your and the girl's marriage will be done on a last. Hey, for 25,000 rupees, you cannot even start a small business. If you go to this girl's house and ask, they'll be asking if he has got a family or a house. He doesn't have both, right? Without having all this, how will you go and ask for a girl? Hey, leave it, man. In our place, there are so many people who live in a high manner. Do you think they have accumulated the wealth in the righteous way? We just have to rob one of their houses. Our entire problem will be solved. Which means we have to steal or what? Absolutely right, man. Hey. This night we are going to break into some big house. We are going to whack off whatever we can. Whatever jewelry will come to our hand, we are going to whack it off. All we need is a big mind, guts, and then a vehicle. What do you say, man? Cheers!
Hey, why are you taking a U-turn here?
Hey, wait here, I'll tell you.
Hey, you saw this house, right? It looks like a big place. Even it doesn't have a washman. Hey, there might be a dog, man. We'll feed it chicken, man. This house is our target for tonight, man. You are going to guide us. What's your dude?
Okay, man.
Hello, be alert, man. Keep the engine turned on. Hey, come, let's go. Hey, be careful, man.
Come fast. Hey, whoever comes, give us a signal. Hey, you go that side.
Hey, who are you?
Hey, who is it, man? Who's there? Hey, you! Wait there, man!
My dear son, what is that noise coming? Who's that? Answer to
Hey,
me,
they woke
who's
up, man!
there?
Come fast, let's run! Wherever you're on, I will not leave you, man! Hey, wait! Hey, wait there! I will not leave you today! Huh? All these days I left you, that is my big mistake! Hey, where are you, man? Hey! Wherever you go, I will not let you go free!
I'm asking you, what was that noise?
As if you
Who was
don't
that?
know, your daughter brought that loafer fellow to the house itself! Today I will not leave her!
No, don't do anything. Please
Hey,
leave
you
her.
go outside,
No,
go.
no.
Huh? What happened to you? I told you not to go outside. You have called him to your bedroom itself, huh?
I never said like
Hey, you come here. I'll teach you a lesson today. Huh? Come
Believe
here.
me, I
Huh?
never do like
You have the
that.
guts to go against whatever I say, huh?
Please,
I will
brother.
teach you a lesson today. You will never
No,
forget
brother,
your life.
please open the door.
Believe me.
Open the door. I am
Believe
going
me,
to kill
brother.
you forever.
Please open the
You
door.
will never
Please
trouble me.
Hey,
Hey.
open the door.
You will never trouble me.
Listen
You
to
will
me.
never
Please
trouble
open
me.
the door.
Open the door.
Please leave her. Don't do anything. Open the door.
Whoever my parents are telling, I'll marry them only. You know that?
I don't know that.
I'll become a doctor and I'll serve for the nation.
Hey, you tie your lip gloss.
Please open the door.
Hello, brother. Hey, start the vehicle fast. Hey, they misunderstood us to be the girl's lover, man. Hey, fast. Take it.
Everything is over. Go, come on.
Oh,
Oh
my
my
dear.
God, what to do now?
Oh, my dear child, this is too sad. That should not have happened.
Hello, brother.
What more should I see in
My
my
sister
life?
Vijay hanged herself this
Oh
morning.
my God.
man?
Yes,
Why are
brother.
you so cruel to me?
She failed in her exam and my father had actually scolded her. That's why she did all this.
Hey, why did she do like that, man?
My
I don't know
child.
what to do now.
I will
Hey, I'll be
really
coming,
miss
man.
Hey, how can people be like this, man? Without even confirming, how can they do like this? Leave it, man. Don't remind all that. In front of me itself, they hanged her. The tongue itself came out. For their own pride and prestige, they'll do like this or what? Look here, they are not going to let us free, I think, because we are the reason for their sister's death. It is better for us to be a little away from them for some time. Hey, then when are you planning to get married, dude? Hey, if we are alive, we can get married whenever we want here. For no reason, we are the reason for a girl's death. It is better to be patient for a little while. What do you say?
Bloody bugger! Because of you guys, we have lost our child. Did you see that? Hey, you are trying to have an affair with our daughter. I will not leave you. I will kill you. Bloody bugger! Hey!
Hey man, I don't know who your daughter is. We only came to rob your
Hey,
house.
you had come to our house that day. I will not leave you.
We are talking. Don't. We are telling you 1,000 times we don't know who you are. We just came to steal your house. Hey, why are you pushing him, man? He's just an old man, right? Uncle! Oh man, blood is coming, man. Hey, he's died, man. Hey, what do we do now, man? All because of you, man. He came to kill him, man. That's why I pushed him. Hey, there is no point to stand and argue here, man. Let us run. What are you talking, man? Come. Then come. If I kill a goat, I'll only get $500. But if I'm going to expose the murderer... Hey, come fast, man. Come fast. Hey, where are you going, man? Hey, where are you going? My mother is staying a couple of villages far away from here. We'll go there.
Okay, right, we'll go.
Mom,
Who are you people? What do you want?
this is Ganesh, Mom.
Which Ganesh?
Your son, Ganesh, Mom.
My God, why did you come here? I left you and your father, no? Now I married someone else and living happily. Please go away from here. I have kids also. I have to look after them. Please go away. I beg you, please
Hey,
go.
Come, man. Come,
Take
man.
him away.
Hey, brother. Wait, man. Hey, where are you going? Wait now. Hey, when children are feeling bad, they go to their mother and cry. This lady is standing like a stone and not even listening to what I have to say. Leave it, man. It would have been better if I would have been born like you, like an orphan. Hey, we are here right now for you. Leave it, man.
Mayur is simply crying for all
Oh,
this, man.
man, I cannot tolerate this. She asked me which Ganesh itself. Brother. Hi, brother.
Hi, how are you?
Hi,
How are you all? How are you all?
Hello.
Hey, it's getting late for me to work. I'll go and come. We'll talk in the evening. Please come here. Look who has come. Your brother has come to meet you.
My brother? Oh, everybody is here. Come, dear. How come suddenly you all here? Is there any problem
No,
at
simply I
home?
thought to come and see you and go.
Hey, Nutted. Is this the way you come to meet your sister and brother? Did you guys eat?
Mhm.
What is this? Without eating properly, you guys are spoiling your health. When are you going to learn all this? Go, take bath and get ready. I'll prepare food for you.
Hey, that's my mom.
Sister? Sister!
What, dear? What is the matter?
Suddenly, my brother and his friends have come. They always have a tendency to steal. If at all they steal this jewelry and go, I can't get beating from my husband. So till they leave, please keep it safely
Okay.
here.
See. Very nice, you know.
Hi, sweetie.
Are you thief for what, uncle?
Hey, who told you all that?
Mom told me. Just because you're a thief, she has removed all my jewelry and gave it to the neighbor's house.
Hey, you're supposed to have chicken stew in a plate, man. If you pour it on the leaf, it'll flow out. Hey, if you mix it properly with the rice, it'll not.
Hey, we need no chicken and no rice. Come, let's go.
What are you blabbering, man?
We are used to being hungry, man. We are not used to being insulted. We don't need to have food after being insulted. What are you standing and staring? Go, man.
Hey, feeling very hungry, man. We could have had some food and come. We are not supposed to show our anchor on food.
What, guys? I was waiting at home, having prepared food for you, and you guys have started off without informing me.
You don't know, sister. That day you came home crying for a few grams of jewelry, right?
I was sent out by my husband's family to get the jewelry that I didn't wear for my marriage.
If your sister cries, we'll leave it or what? We'll directly go there, grab whatever we can. We are going to give it to your sister. Hey, this is stolen goat only, right? What if it is stolen goat? Will you not sell it for meat or what? Hey, we have struggled and got it for you, man.
Look, as a result of all that, we got hurt. See, and
my
that too
God.
not just for me. Look here. Look at this fellow. Hey, show your wound here. Come on.
Hey, leave it here.
Hey, he's very lucky that he's alive. Just an inch inside, he would have been dead. The worry is that he could not have food from your house. Not only for him or what? Look here. He had his on his neck. This fellow on his chest. Everybody shed their blood. For what? You should not cry and feel bad in life. What, sister? Will we steal the same jewelry that we have brought for you, sister? You can believe your neighbor, but you cannot believe your own brother, huh?
Just forgive me, my brother. I have done a grave mistake. If you guys come and have the food I have prepared, I'll be relieved. Please
No,
come,
sister.
brother.
Even if you arrange a banquet for us, it is equal to having poison,
Hey,
sister.
brother, why are you speaking like this now?
But don't think that we are getting angry with you.
Oh, God.
Let there be any other function at home. The way we have stolen goats, we are going to steal cattle for you. And we are going to arrange the function very well. Go and stay very happily with your family. Okay, shall I leave then? Hey, come man, let's go.
Dear brother, once again I'm asking your forgiveness. Please have food and go.
Hey, I want to meet your boss.
Why?
It's for an important reason.
Go.
You don't worry, buddy. I will take care
Then
of
see
that.
to it very fast. Who are you, man? What do you want? Since the time your father died, I wanted to meet you, sir. Just because of the rush here, I could not meet you, sir. Where do you want to meet me? Your father actually died in an accident, and that's how everybody says. Yes, but actually he was murdered by the loafer guys of the other village. Hey, who told you all this, man? Open your mouth and tell me. Sir, actually nobody told me, sir. I saw them murdering him with my own eyes, sir. Hey, if you would have told me then, I would have killed them then and I would have buried them next to my
Why don't
father.
you stop it? You always keep talking about killing and destroying. Why don't you try this legally? Just give a complaint to the police station.
Hey, give me the
brother,
phone, man.
brother,
I'll call the
brother,
police and tell. Wait, brother. What will the police do if you give a complaint? They'll arrest them today and they'll come out tomorrow.
Therefore, just be patient for now. Let them roam around happily for some time. Then later on, chase them and kill them one by one. Only then you can retain your respect.
Okay, partner. What he's saying is correct. Only if I chase them and kill them one by one will my father's soul rest in peace.
Hey, how long should I wait for the food, man? How long?
I'm giving. Just
How long,
hey,
man?
look,
Tell
yeah,
me.
our friend is
I'm
here
giving you
only,
money and eating, nah? I'm not getting free, right?
Please forgive me.
You be careful.
I will give you now.
Hey, what man? Hey, what is this man? Getting beating from small guys? What to do, buddy? I got to live, right? Hey, buddy. I thought you'll be living nicely. You're struggling or what? Yeah, that is what everybody thought, right? But the fact is different, right? Bro, in this era, it is easy to bless everyone. But it is difficult to live. Hey, come inside, man. Hey, see who has come.
Hello.
Welcome,
how are you?
brother. Welcome.
Hello.
Welcome, brother.
Come in, man. Leave it, man. Leave
Come
it,
in,
leave it,
brother.
leave it. We'll take
Have
care
your
of it. You
seat.
go. Hey, just push the vegetables inside, man. Hey, sit, man, sit. Sit inside.
Hey, just get up, man. I'll just pull the mat.
Bro, we need some water, bro. Oh, getting you, man. Hey,
Ah.
they'll actually eat meat very well. I'll go and get
Okay.
some meat and come. You
Okay,
make some
okay.
coffee for them, okay?
There's no milk.
You make them black coffee, they'll drink.
Mm.
Hey, you drink water, man. I'm just going to the shop and coming, huh? Okay?
Hey, drink and give me some, yeah. He's in fact struggling a lot, man.
Feeling very bad, man. I cannot tolerate to see all this. Come, let's go, man.
Hey, what is he trying to do? Lifting the bricks over from here? Can you
Actually,
check
he has
it?
joined our workforce, sir.
Who appointed you? Tell me.
Brother, I was asked to buy something to eat. So I brought 2 of these. I didn't have money, so I thought of exchanging this with that.
Are you trying to play the fool with me or what?
Brother, I cannot exchange them for this. That's why I thought of taking metal and exchanging. Children are wanting to eat.
Hey, I know that you don't have children. You had misbehaved with your mother-in-law.
Right? Oh, you have recognized me very well, or what?
Yeah, I'm going to put a poster about your activities, bloody.
Yeah, the jewelry you kiss the mother-in-law. The grocery you kiss the mother-in-law. The bus stand you kiss the mother-in-law. Likewise, you market me, man. Love the mother in the Lord, 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 love the mother in the Lord. It is a very familiar lyrics, man. Oh my God. I have kissed my mother-in-law. This has reached up to Hollywood or what? Now this will go to Spain, then Germany, then Japan, then it is going up to Bollywood. My God. Only thing I am not getting that much of
Brother?
earning. My God. Oh my yes, dear.
Did you saw him?
Wherever they go, they tell me and go. But for the last 4 days, where they have gone, God knows. Anything important or what? Why are you crying? Tell me, dear. Oh my God. Where all should I search for you, man? Only after you told me that you are here, I came.
Yeah,
For
correct,
everyone,
correct.
I have purchased food. Just take one by one and eat. Okay, I have to
Yes,
tell you
brother.
something. I saw your girlfriend. She wanted me to tell you something.
What's it, bro?
You are going to become a father. I have never climbed mountains like this in my life. Now, how many more mountains should I climb to see them, man? Oh, I am going to die, I think. Oh my god.
Hey, this is a fatso bro only who's coming.
oh. Hey, hold
Yeah,
my hand,
come,
hold my
come,
hand.
come. Nobody saw you, right, bro?
Hey, talk loudly, man. Talk loudly.
What are you saying, bro?
Hey, talk loudly, man. Hey, listen carefully.
Huh?
You have not killed anybody and nobody is searching for you.
Is it true, our brother?
Yes, man. From this village to the other village, I have asked every police station. There is no case registered like that. Why are you fearing of any case? There are only two people searching for you. That hotel lady and that shop owner. Our uncle is doing a lot of things for you guys, man. Too much work to be done. Come, let's go.
Mm.
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 Hey, just stand properly, man.
Ah,
Oh, welcome.
hello, hello.
You're coming for temple donation or what?
Actually, we have to talk with you, sir.
Come and sit down.
This boy's name is A to Z.
Hello, sir. Hello. So, what should I do?
Actually, he doesn't have any relatives for him, so we are taking care of his life. This guy wants to settle in his life. That's the reason we have come here. Actually, our friend and your daughter are in love. They want to marry, that's
What,
all.
man? Hey, stupid loafers have joined together and asking for a rich girl's hand or what?
Hey, why is this man talking like this? Hey, do you have any clue what sort of big place he was born
What
at?
big place was he born at?
The general hospital. Is there any bigger place than that or what?
Hey, you're making fun or what? Please don't get angry, sir. Actually, he's an orphan, sir. He'll take care of your daughter very well, sir. Please allow your daughter, sir. This is a request from all of us, sir. Stop it, man! Don't talk too much. Just get out from this place.
Hey, do you know what we can do?
Hey, just stop it. Don't utter a word anymore. Sir, your family's name and your daughter's image should not go. That's the reason we have come now. Because of this guy, your daughter is pregnant.
Okay, this could be the fate of my daughter. You can take her from here. Look here, I don't want to kill you and go to jail. I'll consider that my elder daughter is dead. Just take her away. They are roaming around here only. Just kill all of them and drag all the dead bodies here.
Why are you getting tensed up, buddy? In this city, wherever you search them, you will not get. If they want to live themselves, they will live here. They don't have any aim in their life, so they're just wandering here and there. What will they do, when they will do, nobody knows about that.
So for that, we have to stand and wait here for them to come or what? They are not going to leave this place and go. We have to kill them. Give an idea for that.
Buddy, I know a person in the city who can finish off anybody for money. We will tell our case to him. The moment he collects cash, he will finish the group itself.
Then ask him to come today itself.
I'll tell him to come tomorrow.
Why? Will he not come
He
now
will
or
not
what?
come.
Why?
Weekend, he should not be disturbed by anyone. And he will also not disturb anyone too. Good morning, sir. Hi, buddy. How are you? I'm doing good, sir. When people like you are there to support me, I'm always good, sir. He's a sincere boy. Hi. I've told him everything. Just pay him the cash, and the rest he will take care.
Hey, look here. Our father and our sister was very dear to our heart. They died only because of those loafer fellows. You should kill them.
Hey, dude. We can actually kill them. But they should not escape at any cost. That's why you also should help us.
Now you look like a groom, man. Yeah, take it, man. Hey, why are you crying, man? From now on, we are not orphans, man. We also have a family now. Hey, brother, from now on, no more hotel food. All 3 times sisters' food only. In our bro's house only.
Bro, can you recognize those 4 guys?
Now only you look awesome, man. Hey, Ganesh, we have to bless the sacred thread and give you. If you give me, I'll give it to you back. Okay, I'll get the thread and come. I'm coming. I'll come now. Okay. Hey, dude, I'll buy the thread and come. Yeah, go and come fast.
Hey, buddies. Just be here. I'm sending for the death angels for you. Hey, come, man.
You are taking this tag. Which caste you are?
Hello, ma'am. I don't know all that.
We belong to no caste, but we can tie this thread right.
Hey, we should not leave them, right? Hey, it's not for me, it's for my brother. Hey, leave it,
Hey,
man.
you
It's
keep
enough,
quiet, man.
yaar. Hey, come fast, man.
Hey, hey, come fast, come. Hey, buddies. Hey, buddies, just run away somewhere. They're coming to kill us, man. Come, go fast. Go inside, come. Hey, just keep running. Hey, don't look anywhere. Don't look. Just keep running. Don't look anywhere. You don't look anywhere. Run for your life. Keep running. Yes. Go. They are surrounding us. Come. Yes. I am not looking anywhere. Just don't look behind. Don't fall anywhere. They are all over this place. They are all over the place. They are all over this place. Just keep running. Don't look back. Yeah, go. Hey, come this side. Come this side. Run. Hey, where are you? I can't believe you. Oh, right there. Hey, where are you guys? Hey, just save me. You will not be spared. Hey, just wait there, man. Hey, wait. Hey, you go that side. I am coming this. Hey, wait there, man. Wherever you go, I will not leave you. Hey, wait there. Wait there, man. Hey, don't leave them. You have to kill him. Kill him and blast him off. You should not let him go free. Hey, now kill him, man. Hey, what are you waiting? Chop him into pieces, man. What are you waiting for now? Just leave me free. I have not done anything to your father and sister. Just leave me alone. Like how my father and sister died, I will also not let you go scot free. I didn't do anything to them. Hey! I will not let you go like that. Hey! I will not let you go free now. Hey, he's here, man. Come fast. Hey,
You!
Hey, buddy, where has he gone? Did you see him?
Bloody! If you're coward, then why you're trying to kill people?
Hey, just cutting his hand is not enough. You have to kill him. Hey, search for him, man. Search, you go there. You come here. Hey, whatever you have done, you have done. Now you're going to escape or what? Huh? Come, wait there. Hey, catch him, man. Hey, anyways, you'll be cut into pieces now. Wait, hey.
Today is my marriage, brother. There is one female carrying my child in a womb and waiting there in the temple. From the time I was born, I didn't see my parents' face. At least I want to see my child's face. After the marriage, I'll go somewhere and live. Please leave me. Bro, I'll go somewhere away from you people. Brother, let me go free.
Did you take money to stand and stare or kill this bloody fellow? What are you looking at?
Brother, brother, please.
You gave me the cash, right? I will do it. Believe me.
Oh my god! I planned to marry you. I believed you a lot. Why you did like this? You left me in the middle itself. Why you are doing like this? What I will do without you? Leave me. Please. Leave
Don't cry, dear.
No.
Don't cry.
Oh my god. Why you left me like this? What I will do without you?
Dear, don't feel sad. He's not died. He will come again to this world through your child. Come on.
No.
Keep it, dear. Take her. Take her.
Hey, they are all very rich people. That is why they are chasing us one by one down. We definitely didn't expect this to happen in our lives ever. They've killed one of our favorite guys.
Therefore, we have to take a revenge for this.
Right, man. If they are left alive, they will kill us.
If we have to live, we have to kill them totally.
Hey, those fellows are coming, man. Hey, hide somewhere. Hey, how are they related with them here? Like they killed our bro, they are wanting to kill us also, huh?
First of all, these fellows should be killed.
No, man. These fellows are only hide killers. We should only kill those who hide these fellows. Then these buggers will be quiet. Why, sir, did you bring her so late? This is the last stage of jaundice. The liver has been affected a lot. Now she's in the last stages of her life. As long as she's alive, keep her happily.
What did the doctor say?
Doctor has told nothing to worry. For the time being, he's given some medicine. He said you will be alright soon. Come, let's go. Otto, just wait. Otto, we have to go to the local police station.
Okay, sir.
Get in slowly. Slowly, careful. Drive the auto slowly.
Yeah, okay, sir.
What is this? Where did our small son has gone? I don't know what happened to him.
Why are you thinking about your son now?
It's not like that. Still, now we are not able to understand him. Even that stupid also not able to understand us.
I'm helpless, you know about that.
You're treating him as the police behaving with the culprit. Not even once you just showed the love as a father. Why did you do like this to him? I don't know what time I have given birth to him. Not able to satisfy him at all.
Look, dear,
He must have some responsibility, no? Shall I say one thing? Please call him and talk.
okay, I will talk to him. He is my son too. You have to take care of your health now. I will definitely speak to him. Don't worry. Be happy. Hey, Meenakshi. 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 Auto driver, please stop the vehicle. Meenakshi. 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 Meenakshi, open your eyes. Meenakshi. 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 Meenakshi.
Brother, we'll carry her, brother.
She was bearing with me for a long time. After that, she was bearing with the children too. I've been really harsh to her sometimes during my life. Now let me compensate for that.
Huh? Hey dude, how are you here? You killed that old man. That is why I told them about you. I thought they'd chop off your head. They have only chopped your hand off. Are you the fellow who damaged our lives, huh? Tell me! Look here. Since you just caught my shirt, I'll be killing you here itself. But if I kill you, it is case. If I show you to them, it is cash. Hey, come fast, man! Come fast! Hey! Why are you fighting with him, man? He only propagated that we have killed the old man. Hey, more than the killer, we should be killing the fellow who showed us to the killer. Hey, go get a stone, man! Hey, by the time you die and float over the water, those fellows will be killed. Come, man. Hey, you are simply saying that you will find those remaining fellows. Hey, brother. Yes, brother. Instead of taking people, why are you going alone? For everything, can I take everyone? I'm carrying a gun, brother. I know how to shoot well. Why are you simply getting worried? Okay, go carefully. Yeah, okay. Hey, take the vehicle, man. Hey, when you see some ATM, stop the car there. Hey, he's coming. Stop the car in front of the ATM. Okay, sir. He got down, huh? Brother, run away, brother! Brother, run away! They're going to kill you! Please run away! Please run away! Hey, catch him, man! Hey, catch him! Hey, don't leave him! Hey, chopped off my head! Don't leave him! Don't leave him! This is the fellow who chopped off my head! Hey, wait! Hey! Don't leave him, right? Catch him, man! Catch him! Come on, run! No! Hey, stop there! You! Hey, catch him, man! You bloody fellow, I will not leave you alive today! No, just listen to me. No, don't do anything. No. Don't leave him, just chop his head off. Hey, what mistake did we do to you? I don't know who your sister is. We only came to rob your house, but instead you robbed all our lives, right? Stupid fellow! Hello? 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 Bloody. Hello? Hello, who's this?
Yeah, it's me.
What do you mean by me?
We have met before, right?
Okay, so. Are you fair or dark?
Obviously, you should be remembering my color.
Oh, so you're fair, huh?
I want to meet you.
What do you want?
I want to see you in person.
Oh, surely you can see me. Where are you now?
I'm here very close by.
Close by. I can't see you anywhere here.
I'm standing by the service lane here only.
Oh, you're so close by your work.
Yes.
Just wait there. I'll just talk and come. Huh?
I'll also keep talking, okay? I'm wearing a red sari and also I'm having bunch of flowers in my hair.
Is it?
Come soon, okay?
I think more than me, you are in a big hurry. Hey, I saw you, dear. Even from far, you look very beautiful, huh? So from close, you might be very mind-blowing.
Then come fast. I'm here to blow your mind only.
So, you're that female sister, huh?
Mm.
You look very beautiful, huh?
I'm not just beautiful,
Huh.
I'm good in everything.
You're so beautiful. How come I didn't see you for so long, huh?
That's why you have come to see me, right?
Is it? Hey, run, hey, you don't run away. Hey, run. Hey, he's the bloody culprit, man. Don't leave him alive. Don't leave him. Catch him fast. This is a good chance. Kill him. No, don't. If you touch me, I'll kill you all. I'm telling you, I'll kill you all. Hey, come on, man. Come on, you bloody fella. Hey, I will not leave any one of you alive. You come, man. You don't know who the hell I am. Better don't touch me. You get out, go. What the hell do you mean, man? Don't do anything to me! He needs to be buried alive! You don't know who I am! Hey, you come fast! You cannot hold him! Hey, what is your problem with us, man? Just because you people were rich, we came to rob from your house. Neither I know you, nor do I know your sister. Shit! Without any problem, we were living a nice life. We were all very happy together. Just because of you, you only spoiled it, man. You bloody fellow. Drop him in, man, and we'll bury him alive. Drop him. Come on. Forgive me. I did a mistake. There is a death in your family. There is a death for me also. Just leave me alive. For heaven's sake, you leave me alive. Just leave me alive, man. I'll go somewhere and live properly. Whatever you ask, I'll give you. Whatever you ask, I'll give you. Will you get my friend back or what? You can't write. Don't talk to him. Bury him. No, don't do it. Bury it. Those who gave birth to us, it is not enough giving birth alone. For the first 5 years, they have to safeguard our life. As we grow older, they have to safeguard our mind. But none of these things they have done to us, man. I have lived with my family and I finished living. But you guys should live right.
the murder that we have done together. I'll take it on my shoulders alone. Dude, how difficult it is to grow like an orphan. You know very well. The same way is our buddy also. Till birth he doesn't know who his parents are. Now he has died also. But when his child will come into this world, it should not get the feeling of an orphan. And it should not live like an orphan. Therefore you should be shelter for the kid.
Brother.
Don't worry, sister. Like how I am a brother to you, the same way is he also. Brother, these days, people who have both the hands and legs itself find it very difficult to live. But you with one single hand, we also have many enemies around us. They will not allow us to live peacefully. That's why you run away somewhere and try and beg and live at least. Why did you call me immediately, brother?
Shut up, stupid fellow. Things are going from bad to worse here. If those guys find us now here, they will kill us too. We have to move from here earliest. When the situation calms down, then we'll come back. Have you filled up diesel in the vehicle?
Yes, brother.
Then let's move, come.
Okay. Sister?
Hello, dear brother. Where were you missing all these
Why
days?
are you crying like this, sister? What to do? This is my fate. I just went home now. I didn't see mother there.
Mom,
Sister, I'm feeling hungry. It's been 4 days that I've eaten something. Is there food for me? Rice and so many side dishes. It's been so long that I've seen this.
why are you talking like this?
I just simply said, sister. Sister, just like a mother who feeds her hungry child, you also knowing that I'm so hungry, you're feeding me all this, right? Actually, you're also like my mother only. Come, brother.
My dear son, where were you so long? Why didn't you come here?
Look here, dude. Look at his concern. What, brother? Suddenly you turned your head or what? Is it for some temple or what? All that you should ask this man to do, right? At least some of his sins will be pardoned.
My son,
What happened? From your life, you have given me a life. You are supposed to be a father. But first of all, I am not able to treat you like a human being itself. It is said that we have got 7 births. But I don't believe all that. But if there is something like that, in none of the births, I should not be born as your son at all. I will not be born also. I was a nice person only. Used to go to school regularly. Buy a cigarette, buy a BD, buy that, buy this. Now I'm coming and standing like this in front of you, na? Now if anything happens to me, hey, brother. No, should happen. You should not even try and come to my dead body. Huh. Brother, Even after so long, mother didn't come, huh? How will she come? If she is given birth to a son like this. When mom comes, tell her. I could not do anything for her this birth. But in the next birth, I'll be born in her womb only. I'll take care of her very well. Oh, father, he doesn't even know that mom has died. Oh, my dear. Hey, dear. Where were you for so long, man? Where all did I not search for you? Did you go home? Will jaundice come and kill a person? Who knew all that? Who knew it would also take away your mother like that? Had your food or what? Who is there in that house to feed you? You come. I've got some money with me. I'll buy you something. You sit here, sit here. Sit here, dear. Sit. I'll buy and come now. Huh? Sit here. Hey, come on, man. Hey, come on. He's here. Brother, from the time I was born, I have not done anything for my mother. And she has died. I just got to hear now. Just for her, let me cry for 5 minutes. What sin did I commit? You have gone without even seeing my face.
You have cried for the mother who has died now, but I don't have an option because my mother is alive. Hello.
Who are you?
Yeah, tell me.
I am his mother speaking.
I received a call from your son telling to kill someone. I tried to call him, but he's not reachable. Once he comes, just tell him that I've killed him. Sindhu! Hey! My brother! My brother! Guys, come on! I have to save my brother!
Oh my God. Oh,
Come on, let's go to the hospital, Sindhu! You need not worry! I am there for you! Your brother! I am there for you! Nothing will happen to you!
Nobody will
Be
be allowed
brave!
to come inside. Please wait here.
Take
Wait here, wait
him
here.
inside soon! Come on, quick!
Oh God! What happened? Oh my God! What happened to my son? How he is
Mom,
now?
you please keep
For
quiet.
God's sake.
I'm telling you.
I can't live
Nothing will
without
happen to
him.
Sindhu. Please believe me.
How
He'll
he
be
is
safe.
now.
Don't cry like this.
God.
Believe me. Hey, please take our mother from here. Please. I will come with our brother. Nothing will happen to him. Believe me. Buddy, just take them away from here.
Yeah.
Please go.
Come.
Please go. I'll come with Sindhu. Doctor, I hope my brother's okay.
Come with me for 1 minute.
Doctor, I hope nothing will happen
calm
to
down,
him.
calm
My
down,
mom,
calm down.
our entire family is shattered.
Since it is a head injury, there is a deep damage in the brain. Very difficult to survive. Sorry.
Doctor, just like you, I wanted to make him a big doctor and save lives, doctor. It's my dream, doctor.
Even if you take a decision now, your brother can save 4 other lives if you can do organ donation.
problem, ma'am?
What does the doctor say?
Hey, what
Tell
does the doctor say?
Hey, what
Tell me,
happened?
what does the doctor say? Say something.
For whom I had struggled my entire life till now. Even when he's going to die, he's going to save few people, buddy. For this alone. No, there are blood stains in these notes. I don't want this.
Killed you what?
Excuse me. Can you put a signature here?
Brother, if you put a signature only, they'll release his body. Please put a signature, brother.
It's not possible for me. When my wife left me, she has made me an accused. For a lot of lonely dead bodies, I've been a security safeguarding those bodies. Now my son has had a lonely death, and I'm the reason for that. He has never listened to me at all, and I have not listened to him too. 2 days before also he had told me, if he dies before me, I should not do the final rituals for him. This is the last opportunity for me to listen to him. My dear child, when my children died, I stayed alone in my life. I was thinking you guys as my children. When I die, I thought you will do the last rituals for me. Now you guys have left me alone, and now I became an orphan again. Each and every person starts his life at the age of 24. But this group of guys ended their life at the age of 24. Most important lessons to the parent. They have to take care of their children. That should be their only aim. If we need a good society, the parent should be a role model for the children.